In this video, we will solve the differential equation dy dx is equal to cosine of 3x. We can rewrite this equation as dy is equal to cosine of 3x dx. Now integrating both sides, we get integration of dy is equal to integration of cosine 3x dx plus integration constant c. We know that the integration of dy is y and integration of cosine 3x is equal to sine 3x divided by this constant 3 plus integration constant c. Therefore, y is equal to sine 3x by 3 plus integration constant c is the solution of the differential equation dy dx is equal to cosine of 3x, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.